Hello everyone and welcome back to my another video. In that structured query languages video, we are going to learning about where, as and insert function. So let's get started into our main SQL video. Firstly, we need to open our SQL workbench in our desktop, and then here is our noob seek match we created in part 1. So use this noob seek match. Use noob. Okay, semicolon it, enter it, insert this node. So write this command, insert into students. This is the table, enter values, bracket it 2 times and comma it. Okay, and then seeing this table, there is an arrow, click here and there is the table. One is student you see and another is student. I created students extra, so don't mind it. So this is our students and this is our student. So students, if you see this table, click here and then here is our ID, student name, student role, student date in your mind. Okay, now let's try to in our query. Go to your good query and then here is our values called. Okay, firstly is ID. ID is 1 comma, name is Rajiv comma, and role is 24101. Okay guys, 24101 is our ID. And this is a problem. If you problem that is a semicolon is here and another is not, it is a problem and unfinished. So semicolon it and it might work. So 24101 is our ID, comma it, and then another is our student admission date. What day the students admission. Okay, 2024 hyphen 01 hyphen 12 months of the students admitted. Now copy that all of everything and then enter it, and that was Control V8. Now that was a problem. If you comma not, this the or code was not worked. So recommended is our comma. Look at our comma and work your code and Control V another time. I make the 5 values. You can make the all of your everything. Now this is a semicolon and comma, semicolon in the last. Okay, now this is the duplication value. If you duplicate your all of everything, this information 11111, this might is problem. If you duplicate your all of information another time, this isn't work in your MySQL workbench code. It was a SQLite or making another of the information if you want to be a good values or a good numbers of values. So making this what? Making this unique of the values. 3, 4. Now that wasn't duplicated your information. Rajiv, Luffy, another is CD, and last one is Shihab. And this was the duplication. 2 means 2 IDs. Okay, 3, 4. I make the 5 values. Change this date 13, 14, 15. Now our value has completed. If you select these values and execute this query, it was a boring method. So command is where our work. So select function is this good command of our SQL. Star what? From this all of everything students table. I mean the students or extra table. Now that was the student default table, and now this after you looking execute it, and then here is our ID, student name, student role, student date, and this is our default. Okay, and go your query, and then here is our student date. Our information comes, all of everything another row is counted. Now using this where function method from here is not looking good, enter it, and then I cut it. Okay, now from students where use this where function where id equals to 1. This where function methods work. Another time execute this query, and that was our one function where is our information called. Now that is our students of our information. That was our table. If you see the 4 values executed, and that is our 4 values, the where function is working. If you see that id greater than 4, execute it, there is nothing yet. Another time, now student name, student dash name equals to 1. This is our where function methods work, but it's not working. It's a funny method. Okay, now the where function has gone, and seeing this select function star backspace is star, and we see the only student name and student role. So write here student dash name comma student role. Okay, now that is our confidence of our code. Execute it, and that is our good name of our everything. Student name and student role has come. It is a problem. Okay, Razib, Luffy, and student role. This select function is worked in that if you select star of your function, this is executed only. Now it is a double quotation and it is a clutch. So now this select function and where method has done. Now we are seeing the as function of our code. So there is our students. This might cut it. Okay, backslash another time. Now the insert into has not we work in our answer function. Now we work in our select from and as function. So that is our select function, backslash it, and student dash name comma another time student role bracket it, okay, plus 1. Now that is our confidence, plus that is our plus, okay, plus 1. Now that is done. It is what? Double quotation mark, not single quotation mark. Single quotation mark, student name, student dash name. Execute it. And that is our student name and student name work. Is seeing this another ID. I said ID. Now that is our ID of our students. That is our AS function work. I gave you this code in my description if you want. Okay. This is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamualaikum. Part 3 is coming.